7th grade, Unit 6, Lesson 18, Illustrative Mathematics. Problem number 1. For each expression, write an equivalent expression that uses only addition. A. The expression starts out as 20 minus 9. That's the same as 20 and a negative 9, or 20 plus negative 9. Next, we have plus 8, and then we have minus 7. That's the same as and a minus 7, or plus a negative 7. B. It starts out with 4x minus 7y. That's the same as 4x and minus 7y, or 4x plus negative 7y. Next is minus 5z, so we can add a negative 5z, and then finally add 6. C. Negative 3x plus a negative 8y plus a negative 4 plus a negative 8/7 z. Problem number 2. Use the distributive property to write an expression that is equivalent to each expression. If you get stuck, consider drawing boxes to help organize your work. A. 9 times 4x minus 3y minus 2/3. We have 9 times 4x plus 9 times negative 3y plus 9 times negative 2/3. 2/3 of 9 is 6, so negative 2/3 of 9 would be negative 6. 9 times 4x is 36x plus 9 times negative 3y is negative 27y plus negative 6. B. Negative 2 times negative 6 plus negative 2 times positive 3y plus negative 2 times negative 1. Well, negative 2 times a negative 6x is a positive 12x. Negative 2 times 3y is a negative 6y. And negative 2 times a negative 1 is a positive 2. C. 1/5 times 20y plus 1/5 times negative 4x plus 1/5 times negative 13. 1/5 of 20y is 4y. Negative 1/5 times negative 4x. That's negative 4/5 x. Negative 1/5 times negative 13. That's negative 13/5. D. 8 times negative x plus 8 times negative 1/2. 8 times negative 1/2 is negative 4, so the expression is negative 8x minus 4. E. Negative 8 times negative x plus negative 8 times negative 3/4 y plus negative 8 times 7/2. Negative 8 times negative x is positive 8x. Negative 8 times negative 3/4 y is positive 6y. And negative 8 times 7/2 is negative 28. Problem number 3. Kieran wrote the expression x minus 10 for this number puzzle. Pick a number, add negative 2, and multiply by 5. Lynn thinks that Kieran made a mistake. A. How can she convince Kieran he made a mistake? First, pick a number. Let's use x. Second, add negative 2. And third, multiply by 5. B. Here's an example of a bunch of expressions that you could use for this number puzzle. The one I like the most is 5 times x minus 2. Problem number 4, from 7th grade, Unit 2, Lesson 7. The output from a coal power plant is shown in the table. Similarly, the output from a solar power plant is shown in the table. Based on the tables, is the energy output in proportion to the number of days for either plant? If so, write an equation showing the relationship. If not, explain your reasoning. For the first table, I discovered that the number of days is always 500 times smaller than the energy in megawatts. The constant of proportionality is 500, which can be used to write an equation to show the relationship between number of days and energy in megawatts. And I noticed in the second table there is no predictable relationship between the number of days and the energy in megawatts. Which means for this table, you can't write an equation to show the relationship between number of days and amount of energy in megawatts. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe to my channel and watch the next lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.